has said that Saurav Ganguly was supposed to be the chairman of ICC.
অনেকটা উপরে আছে
He is a private body, so we don't want to comment about that. There is a procedure of electing or selecting ICC chairman. So maybe later on he may be selected.
Do you think that the chief minister indirectly, tried to target Jai Shah?
Minister is doing the petty politics that I can say.
Sir, TMC Minister Siddiqullah Chaudhary said BJP is trying to harass the people of Bengal in the name of SIR.
SIR is being done by, already it has been implemented in 13 states, Bihar plus 12. So in 12 states, the SIR is going on now. So if, and it is done by the Election Commission of India, if it is harassing the people of West Bengal, then it must be the harassment for the other people also. So why the other people or the people of the other states, they are not complaining? They are accepting it because already several times SIR have been done.
TMC's spokesperson Kunal Ghosh said that the TMC is always with the people who are trying to commit suicides or suffering due to this SIR.
TMC is trying to create a narrative to stop the SIR. The thing is that SIR is done by Election Commission of India. If you have any objection, you should proceed to the Election Commission of India and you can go to the court.
What could be the result of SIR if as you said that many people will be out of list?
Our demand is legitimate Indian citizens' name should be included in the SIR. Those are not the Indian citizens, their name should be removed from the list. And special provision, because Bengal is a special state. During the partition, it has been bifurcated into two parts. So special provision should be there for the refugees, because they have applied for the CA, and CA application and granting the citizenship may take some more time. So for them, special provision should be there.
So what's your prediction regarding the Bihar poll, sir? Bihar poll, what's your prediction?
Bihar will form, NDA will form the government.
Abhishek Banerjee has constituted a team of the TMC leaders to reach out the affected families of those who allegedly died due to the panic of anxieties.
TMC is trying to make SIR a issue, but SIR is not a actual issue. They want to divert the media and the common people attraction from real issues of Bengal to SIR. What is the real issue? The real issue in last 10 years, where India has attracted so much of foreign direct investment. Maharashtra has attracted 31% of the forest investment. West Bengal could do only 0.61%. So from where you will provide a job? You don't have any manufacturing unit here. Nobody is interested to invest in this state. People are investing in Maharashtra. People are investing in Uttar Pradesh. But nobody is coming to Bengal. Whereas the fast industrial revolution happened in this country in Bengal only. So this is the real issue. Joblessness, no job, no security for the women. Even yesterday one girl child has been raped in Tarakeswar. 26,000 people job has been, dismissed by the court. Chief Minister's relative name is there in 3,000 list of cancelled job of Group C, Group D. These are the real issues. TMC is making SIR an issue to divert the concentration of media from real issues to the fake issues.